Okay, what's up, guys? It's Alex here, and going to make a quick market review today. Expectations. Give me a second. Okay, let's start. So, okay. So as you can see, now we took out this buy-side liquidity and cleared out this relatively cool height right here. On the, I think it was a high impact news right here. 240 pips right here. So we took this out right here, the buy-side liquidity, and we have this very short block right here and the breaker block right here. Okay, as we have this liquidity sweep. So this is very short block right here because it's swept liquidity and we had the aggressive move to the downside, right? So also have this order block right here on the daily chart, as you can see, which also swept this stop loss out. You can see it became. We also have this new week opening up right here and the daily fair value gap, and as you can see how price touched this daily order block and the daily fair value gap, as you can see. So we have two types of scenarios. Okay, let me go for our chart right now. So we have two types of scenarios. As you can see, we already had this swing low broken, but we are in the daily fair value gap. Okay, so we have all of this engineered liquidity right here, as you can see. So my expectations. So we may bounce right here and drop into the new week opening up on the next week. Okay, so we may have this type of scenario from the new week opening up to new week opening up and then rally. Okay, this happened this week, as you can see. We had this old week opening up and price came back, touches into it, and boom, rallies, takes out this strong liquidity. So it's very hard to predict price right here because we are not here to predict the price, we are here to follow smart money. So give me a second. Find the bond market, as you can see on the monthly chart right here. So as you can see, bond market is bullish right now because we are going to fill this fair value gap. As you can see, also shifted right here, took this buy side liquidity out, and I'm expecting price to go up and fill this gap and go down to downside right here, as you can see. Now let's check the dollar index right now. So yeah, as you can see, so if we go upper on the bond market, we may see a little bit drop on the dollar index, like here or here. It's fair. Let me check on the weekly chart. So yeah, also have this order block right here, as you can see, and we may drop down here, and we may have this type of scenario. Okay, we drop here and we take out this buy side liquidity. This is of course give me a sec. So daily chart. So from the new year, we had if the data range using it like this. So trend may change now because we are bullish. You can see right here, took out this liquidity right here, and trend may change and we go down. We may clear this liquidity right here. You can see I have marked these fair value gaps right here, also this volume imbalance. So we may drop from here or here. Nobody knows that. We are just gonna watch the reactions. Also have this BPR right here, as you can see. So let's go on a USD again. So if dollar index drops, of course your USD will be bullish. Okay. So what I expect, price may come down a bit, or it may not come back, which we will see that in the next week. So price may go down and fill these gaps right here, as you can see, and we go up and take out this buy side liquidity. And what I am targeting, I'll show you right now on a monthly chart right now, and boom, you can see we have this fair value gap. So guys, this is not financial advice, and I'm not saying that you need to go with all in, like put your whole portfolio in one trade. No, just don't do that. Just keep focused on the market, and when market gives you a bread and butter setup, just take the trades, okay? So this was the market review video, and thank you for the watching.